In this video, we're going to be answering the question, how do I verify my Google business profile without a postcard? So, the thing about Google is that they allow you to create a business without verification at the beginning, and a postcard is one of the options. So, let's say we have a business that isn't verified. Let's just go to Google My Business. So, start without any verification. And you can see your businesses. So we have a business that hasn't been verified. When you click on view profile, you can choose your verification method. So the options that you have would be phone number, which you should use, or you can be asked to use a live verification method where you go to the physical location and you do a physical recording of your location. So that is the solution. So you use either a live verification method where you are going around and using the videos, or you use your phone number. Your email is already there, so there's no way to use your email. So those are the options if you'd like to verify your account without a postcard. So if you have any other question, you can definitely ask. Don't forget to subscribe to Digitech, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.